everyone, Rebecca here. Me and my friend Murphy love making all things arty.
That gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a tissue box robot. So for this monster make, we'll need an empty tissue box, pom-pom balls, bottle lids, stickers, paint, and a paper straw. Let's start by painting our tissue box.
Hey, great idea! Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
Once the tissue box is dry, fold the paper straw in half. And use glue to stick it to the top of the box.
Sticky, sticky, sticky!
And glue pom-poms to either end of the straw. Let's also glue bottle lids to the front of the box for eyes. And the sides for ears.
Now, give this lots and lots of dots!
These can be the robot's buttons and control panels. Now let's add some stickers to finish the eyes.
Yeah, googly!
A terrific tissue box robot. What a brilliant idea, Murphy.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a tube pigeon. For this we'll need 2 tubes, one long, one short, some coloured card, paint and stickers. Start by taping the long tube and the short tube together like this.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky!
I think we should paint the long tube green and the short tube blue.
Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
Let's leave that to one side to dry. On a piece of yellow card, let's draw 2 feet. And a beak, which is a teardrop shape. On some grey card, let's draw wings with feather details.
Hey, 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 hey!
On a pink piece of paper, draw around a large paper plate. And around a paper cup in the middle. We're going to cut this out, so this needs to be wider than the long tube. Time to cut out all these pieces.
Here comes some monster magic!
Thanks, Murphy. Ask a grown-up for help when using scissors at home. We've even cut slits into the pink circle to look like the ruffles around our pigeon's neck. Let's slide this over the top of the long tube. Now, use a glue stick to add the feet, wings, and beak. Finally, let's add some sticker eyes.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick!
There, one tube pigeon, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!
Let's get monster making! Ha-ha!
It's a yogurt pot ladybird. For this, we'll need a clean yogurt pot, coloured card, pipe cleaners, stickers, and paint. For the ladybird's body, paint the yogurt pot red.
Painty, painty, monster painty!
Leave that to one side to dry as we need to get drawing. Let's draw 2 leaf shapes. These will be our ladybird's wings.
Buzzy, 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 monster flappy!
Now we can cut these shapes out.
Here comes some monster magic!
Ask a grown-up for help when using scissors at home. Use a glue stick to add these to the back of the dry yogurt pot. Next, bend a pipe cleaner in half. And make some curly ends by wrapping them around your finger.
They make monster-tastic antennae, Rebecca!
Let's use a little glue to stick these to the back of the yogurt pot. Finally, let's decorate! These stickers will be perfect for our ladybird's eyes. Finally, we can draw on a smile. There, one ladybird yogurt pot all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!
Let's get monster making! Ha-ha!
It's a box submarine. For this we'll need a box, a small paper cup, paper straw pieces, coloured card, stickers, and paint. Turn the paper cup upside down and ask a grown-up to help you make a hole in the bottom with a pencil. And now we can stick this to the top of a box.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick!
Once that's dried, we can paint everything bright yellow.
I love, love, love painting! Hey, 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 hey!
While that dries, we need some red card. Let's draw around a paper cup to make a circle. On dark blue card, draw a rectangle with a line through the middle. On some blue card, draw a wiggly line across the top edge. This will be the waterline above our submarine.
Now for some monster cutting magic!
Remember, ask a grown-up for help when you're using scissors.
I was hoping you'd say that!
Now take a piece of the paper straw and bend it. This will be our submarine's periscope. We can push this into the hole in the cup that we made earlier. Take the other piece of straw, give it a few folds, and glue it to the end of the box like this.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick!
Now we can stick our submarine to the wiggly blue card. Make sure the periscope sticks up above the waterline. We need to glue on the red circle and the blue strips of card. And finally add stickers for details. There we have it, one brilliant box submarine all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye! Me and my friend Murphy love making all things arty. Take a look around you at home. I bet there's so much stuff that you can recycle and reuse to make something seriously cool. Now, where's my monster friend Murphy?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a paper plate hippo. For this we'll need 2 paper plates, coloured card, paint and stickers. Start by painting one of the paper plates blue. While that dries, paint the edge of the other plate the same colour.
Painty, painty, monster painty!
And paint the middle pink. This will be our hippo's mouth. While those dry, take a piece of blue paper and draw 4 arches. Two for ears. And 2 for nostrils. On a piece of white paper, draw 3 more arches for our hippo's teeth. Once you've done that, it's time to cut everything out.
Here comes some monster magic!
Ask a grown-up to help you with scissors at home. Now it's time to stick everything together. Fold the pink plate in half like this. And stick it to the bottom half of the other plate. This is our hippo's head. Now let's stick on the ears. And then fold a small tab on the end of the other arch shapes. Glue on the nostrils and the teeth. Finally, add black stickers to the nostrils, half pink stickers to the ears, and some more stickers for eyes. There, one paper plate hippo all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!